In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails into ClickUp. We're going to walk through how to take an email from your inbox and have it show up directly in a ClickUp task. This is really useful if you manage work in ClickUp, but a lot of the details still arrive by email. By the end, you'll know exactly how to forward those emails straight into a task, so everything stays in one place. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the list where your task lives. In this example, I'm in a list inside my workspace, but you can use any list and any task you want. Go ahead and open the specific task you'd like to send emails into. We're going to grab a special email address that belongs to this task. Inside the task, look for the option related to emails. Depending on your layout, this might appear as an email icon, a small menu button, or a label that mentions email. Click that area to open the email options for the task. Next, select the option that says Send Email to Task. This is where ClickUp shows you a unique email address that is linked to this particular task. Any email sent to this address will be added to the task, usually as a comment or an attachment, depending on your workspace settings. When you see that email address, click on the Copy button. This copies the task's unique email address to your clipboard so you can paste it into your email client. Now switch over to your email, for example Gmail, and click on Compose to start a new message. In the To field, paste the email address you just copied from ClickUp. This tells your email provider to send that message directly into your ClickUp task. Add your subject line and write your email as you normally would. You can include text, links, and attachments, just like any other email. When you're ready, click Send. After sending the email, head back to ClickUp and reopen the same task. Give it a moment to process. You should now see a new item associated with the task that represents the email you just sent. Look for a new comment, activity entry, or attachment and click on it. Finally, open the email item, which may appear with a name like Original Email. Clicking this will let you view the full contents of the email right inside ClickUp, keeping all your communication and task details neatly organized together.